Hey there guys, this is W8DEY, and I just ordered, okay not just ordered, but I ordered about this package about a week ago from this website called Skate Warehouse. Have the link in the below. So yeah, they're pretty not bad. Yeah, they're awesome in a way. Yeah, so just gonna unbox my package and stuff, show you guys what I got and how I like to roll, I guess. I don't know. Here's a Skate Warehouse logo. We're filming. Bum. Alright, that was a fail. Alright. Oh, got it. Ah! Working it. Alright. Boom. Sorry, I'm on a ISO of 1600, so might be a little fuzzy, but my room light apparently sucks. And I'm only on a shutter speed of 60. Wow, or 30. No, 60. The 4.0 f-stop. But I got my fisheye, so we're all good. Yeah. Awesome! Alright, here we go. Unloading. Or not. Alright, the camera's gonna be hanging, so just watch. Ooh, my bad. I ordered skateboards, some new swag shoes for skateboarding. Alright, I got this. I'm gonna put it like so. I know this is very amateurish, but you guys are awesome. Just like my film work is amateurish. Oh yeah. Oh, swagged out. Look at it. Vox. Oh, don't even come off. Oh, everything's taped down there. So, let's see. Take you for a moment. Oopsies. So we got some Vox shoes. Those are pretty gnar. Got Griptape from Jessup. It's a black magic. If it ain't black, it's whack. Free skate bag, mesh knapsack, whatever. Habitat tee. And then a Vox tee. And then a Habitat deck. And then a Skate Warehouse blank 8.25. I'm gonna try some. This is just gonna be a spare deck, extra wide, high ride 8.0s. So let's see what we got here. I got these Voxes. They're only 30 bucks. So I was like, dude, let's get them. And plus, Vox is gonna be my amateur sponsorship. So that's what I'm gonna be repping when I'm sponsored by Vox. So we got some Ecolab. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even know what that looks. Looks cool though. Very nice and plain. Oh, it's got like a royal blue. Check it in the good light. Got the Vox logo. Some Vox. Can you read that? It's out of focus. Some laces. Pretty nice. Size 10.5. Yeah, some upper suede. And then some Volk gum thing. This thing. So, no, I want to know what it's called. Volk outside. So yeah, pretty swag. I like them. All for 30 bucks. Or I pretty much got them free because I got some discounts. Got some black magic grip tape. As I already told you. I didn't have them apply it because I'm going to eventually do a tutorial on how to apply grip tape, so you guys, if you ever need to come to a situation, you guys can apply your own grip tape. Stop being babies your whole life. Oops. Jessup and black magic. Oh, don't really get Grizzly Grip, guys. It's not really, it's too much hype. Not all that famous. Nice big knapsack. This one's much bigger than the other one. Pretty gnar. You put all your skater needs up in there. You bring in your Call of Duties with. We got Call of Duty on the screen right now. Who's up in the party? Gilmore? No, Gilmore. Let's see if Gilmore's on. No, Gilmore, what a bum. Birdman is playing single player. What a bum. Alright, let's go back to this. Oh. Alright, sorry. Big pause. Alright, so my Habitat tee. It's called the Capture and Create. It has to go along with my board. Cause look at all those cameras. We got a DSLR, we got old school tape. It's a disc, some film, some digital film, like, oh, not digital, some film. Look at that, that's just awesome. Then we got some Vox skate tee, traditional. Oh man, traditional logo. Straight up Vox, the text, pretty gnar. That's all we need. We got our Habitat deck. That payment info with some stickers. And then there's my Habitat. It's 8.25. 8.5. There she is. Capture and Create. Big shutter. Red deck. The blue one was 8.25. Yeah, she's just a blank. I'm gonna do some other stuff with it. So yeah. There's my swag. It's pretty gnar. Got the Vox swag. Skate or die. Deuces, homeboys.